Subaru Rear Vehicle Detection, or SRVD, is an advanced safety feature that's part of Subaru's EyeSight driver assistance system. This technology uses radar sensors to monitor your vehicle's blind spots and detect approaching vehicles. SRVD is particularly useful during lane changes and reversing maneuvers. The system monitors approximately 70 meters behind your vehicle, watching for approaching traffic that might be in your blind spots. SRVD is now standard equipment on most new Subaru models from 2019 and later. This includes the Outback, Legacy, Ascent, Forester, Crosstrek, and WRX. However, you may sometimes see an SRVD Disabled warning on your dashboard. This warning can appear for several different reasons, which fall into three main categories. Environmental factors include heavy rain, snow, fog, or extreme temperatures. These weather conditions can obstruct the radar sensors or cause them to temporarily disable for safety reasons. Physical obstructions are another common cause. Ice, snow, mud, or dirt covering the sensors can block their operation. Aftermarket accessories like trailer hitches or bike racks can also interfere with the radar signals. System-related issues include software glitches, electrical problems, or calibration drift. These technical problems may require professional diagnosis and repair to resolve. The good news is that recent software updates have significantly improved SRVD reliability. These updates have reduced false alarms by 35% and enhanced performance in adverse weather conditions. When you see the SRVD Disabled warning, start with a visual inspection of your rear bumper sensors. These sensors are typically located on the lower rear bumper area. If you find dirt or debris on the sensors, clean them carefully with warm water and mild soap. Avoid using high-pressure washing directly on the sensors, as this can damage them. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, try a system reset. Turn off your vehicle completely, wait 30 seconds, then restart and drive above 25 miles per hour for 5 to 10 minutes. If do-it-yourself steps don't work, professional solutions may be needed. Sensor calibration is required after collisions or sensor replacement, typically costing between $150 and $300. Regular maintenance can prevent future SRVD issues. Clean sensors monthly during winter months, schedule annual professional system checks, and always use Subaru-approved accessories to avoid interference.